Welcome to Vast Accessories, your ultimate destination for all things tech. Whether you're a seasoned tech enthusiast or a curious beginner, get ready to embark on an exciting journey through the digital realm, exploring the latest gadgets, software, and cutting-edge innovations. Our mission is to demystify complex tech concepts. Whether you're looking to make informed tech decisions, learn something new, or simply geek out over the latest tech wonders, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this thrilling tech adventure. Climber. What if you could get fit and have fun at the same time? Would you want to challenge yourself and reach new heights? If yes, then you need Climber, the world's first connected vertical climbing machine. Climber is a revolutionary device that simulates the natural movement of climbing. It engages over 86% of your muscles and delivers intense cardio and strength training in less time than any other exercise. It also has a low impact on your joints and spine, making it safe and comfortable for anyone. Climber is powered by Android and has a 21.5-inch HD touch display and a built-in sound system. You can access various content and settings, such as on-demand classes, challenges, metrics modes, and colors. Climber is not only a machine, but also a community. You can join Climber's online platform and interact with other users, instructors, and celebrities. You can also share your progress, achievements, and feedback with others. You can even climb famous landmarks and monuments with Climber's virtual reality feature. Nexttick. Do you love gaming? Or do you want to experience a new way of interacting with your computer? If yes, then you need Nexttick. This is a next-generation 3D mouse that combines all the functions of a regular mouse and a macro keyboard. Nexttick Joystick is a reimagined 3D mouse that lets you move, click, scroll, and execute commands in midair. It has a comfortable grip and a sleek design that resembles a joystick. It has 4 buttons, a QR code scanner on the top, a USB port, and a power switch on the bottom. Nexttick Joystick is compatible with any game that supports mouse input, as you can use it to aim, shoot, jump, and move. You can also assign macros to the buttons and scan QR codes to activate different functions. Nexttick Joystick is not only for gaming, but also for everyday computing. You can use it to browse the web, watch videos, edit documents, and more. You can also connect it to your phone via Bluetooth and use it as a remote control. Sightful Spacetop. In the ever-evolving world of technology, one company dares to break the boundaries of what's possible by revolutionizing a new category of personal computer that takes the traditional laptop and completely reimagines it. Welcome to the world of Sightful Spacetop, the future of computing. This is a laptop with no physical screen. Instead, it comes with augmented reality glasses. The AR glasses provide a 100-inch virtual screen that can be used to work on multiple screens simultaneously, access files and applications from anywhere, and collaborate with others in real time. The key innovation behind the Sightful Spacetop is its 3D interactive display. This is not just a screen, it's a window to a new dimension of computing. Zix Snap. Working with one screen can be very challenging, especially if you have multiple sites and pages or apps to use for your work. You may be thinking of how you can turn your laptop into a triple-screen workstation, or how you can boost your productivity and creativity with more screen space. If yes, then you need Zix Snap, the revolutionary device that adds 2 extra screens to your laptop. Zix Snap is compatible with any laptop that has a USB-C or HDMI port. You can connect it to your laptop with a single cable and start using it right away. You can also use it as a standalone monitor for your phone, tablet, or gaming console. This is the ultimate device for multitasking, gaming, and entertainment. It is designed with portability at the forefront. It is lightweight and compact and stays right on your laptop, so it easily fits into your bag, giving you the freedom to work where you want. Lifttop. Do you want to have the best gaming desk ever? Do you want to enjoy a sit-to-stand desk with amazing features? If yes, then you need Lifttop Cyber One, the world's first smart foldable gaming desk. Lifttop Cyber One is a revolutionary desk that uses air vision technology. It has a 27-inch wide multi-touch HDR screen that slides out of the table and can be adjusted to the optimal angle for standing during intense gaming. Lower the elevation for sitting, or fold it down to hit the couch and unwind. Thanks to the smart built-in lifting speakers, you don't have to reserve space for your audio system anymore. The dual speakers can pump out crystal clear sound quality and even create ambient alongside the colorful RGB LED lighting that syncs with the beat of the music, turning your entire room into a gaming arena. This innovative design offers a unique experience unlike any other. You can control the features of this table with the user-friendly app. Lifttop Cyber One is not only a gaming desk, but also a fashion accessory. It has a stylish design that blends in with any decor. It also has a customizable LED ring that changes color according to your mood or preference. This desk also offers wireless charging station to help complete your comfort. Amazefit X Curve smartwatch. We have all had watches at one point in time, but in a world where innovation meets style, where technology curves to fit your life, comes a revolutionary product that's as unique as you are. Presenting the Amazefit X Curve smartwatch. This is a smartwatch that features a curved titanium body with an innovative 92 degrees curvature that closely fits your wrist. The watch has a large HD AMOLED screen that is 2.07 inches wide and has a 326 pixel per inch resolution, high color saturation, and ultra-high brightness, which brings the user a clear, crisp display even under direct lighting. The watch is equipped with the Huami-developed BioTracker optical sensor, which can provide 24-hour heart rate monitoring, SpO2 level measurement, sleep quality, and stress level monitoring. The smartwatch syncs with your smartphone to show incoming texts, calls, and social media notifications to help you never miss a moment of what is happening around. You can also explore the world with confidence thanks to the built-in GPS that navigates your path. It comes with water resistance and can automatically recognize 4 exercise types: walking, treadmill activity, outdoor running, outdoor cycling, inform you, and record exercise data. The watch has a futuristic curved lithium-ion battery that can last up to 7 days on a single charge. Seekers Tron. Do you have a lawn in your yard, and it is overgrown but you want it to be trimmed perfectly without any hassle? Or you want to save time and money on lawn maintenance, and also enjoy a smart and eco-friendly solution that works with any lawn? If that is the case, then you need Seekers, the world's first vision AI robotic lawnmower. This is a revolutionary device that uses AirVision intelligent precision visual navigation technology to map your lawn and plan the most efficient cutting route. It can effortlessly manage lawn works across multiple zones and navigate seamlessly, even in weak signal areas. One of the key features of Seekers Tron is its 5-camera AirVision system, which allows for seamless navigation and ease of use for every user. Tron is automatically set up with just one click and explores its surroundings to generate virtual maps, which can be connected to a smart app. This innovation eliminates the need for complex wiring. It is energy efficient, quiet, and safe. It has a cutting height range from 1.2 to 3.5 inches and a battery life of up to 3 hours. It also has no clog, easy clean blades that ensure optimal performance. HoloRide Cinema. Just like you, I get bored sometimes just sitting in the car. But now we can upgrade our car experience with HoloRide Cinema, which is the future of immersive entertainment. Step into a world where reality and imagination collide with this app that enhances video streaming for passengers on the HoloRide motion synchronized in-car entertainment platform. It projects the streaming selections on a massive virtual screen that is surrounded on all sides by a digital environment that shifts and transforms in sync with the movements of the real-world vehicle. With HoloRide Cinema, passengers can have fun by playing games, watching movies and TV shows during any car ride, with the motion sync digital landscape helping to reduce or even eliminate the impacts of motion sickness. The app allows users to choose between 3 different screen sizes: 13 foot, 16 foot, and 20 foot. The virtual distance to the screen is about 18 feet. Additional customization options allow users to choose between a curved or a flat screen, as well as 4 different positions for the screen height. You can select contents via eye tracking and the controller that comes with the VR goggles. P1 Max. Pools get dirty sometimes, but how do you have a sparkling clean pool without any hassle, and without constantly spending money to hire cleaners? Your best bet is the P1 Max, which is the world's first Vision AI pool cleaning robot and your ultimate pool cleaning companion. Say goodbye to the hassle of pool maintenance by effortlessly removing leaves, debris, and dirt from your pool, and enjoy crystal clear water with P1 Max's advanced filtration. This robot is a cordless robotic pool cleaner that features a powerful triple brush cleaning system and cordless design with automatic return charging. The robot is designed to clean both the bottom and walls of your pool, and it can clean a 1,937 square feet pool in about 90 minutes. The P1 Max has a 120-watt motor and filtration performance of 280 LPM. It can handle fiberglass, ceramic tile, concrete, and pebble stone pools. Float TV. Imagine watching TV anywhere you like, without any cords or installation. Imagine having a foldable, portable, and smart TV that adapts to your needs and preferences, or a TV that floats with you. That TV is Float TV, the world's first smart foldable TV on wheels. This is a 27-inch wide multi-touch HDR screen that slides out from a sleek stand and snaps into place. You can adjust the viewing angle from 30 to 90 degrees and enjoy ultimate portability and comfort. You can also use touch control or connect to your computer. Float TV is powered by Android and has a built-in battery that lasts up to 5 hours. You can watch your favorite shows, play games, browse the web, and more. This TV is not only a TV, but also a piece of art. It has a stylish design that blends in with any decor. It also has a penta wheel design that helps it easily traverse any floor. You can fold it back and easily carry it around. Aristo's Home Dropbox. Do you worry about your online orders being stolen or damaged when you are not at home? Or you just want a secure and convenient way to receive your packages without any hassle? If yes, then welcome to Aristo's Home Dropbox. This smart delivery box protects your deliveries and gives you peace of mind. Aristo's is an extra-large, anti-theft, durable, and waterproof Dropbox that can fit multiple packages of different sizes. With Aristo's, you can track and manage your deliveries from anywhere using the app, as you can see who delivered your package, when it arrived, and what's inside. You can also share access codes with your family, friends, or neighbors if you want them to pick up your package for you. Aristo's Home Dropbox can be opened via password, one-time password, remote control, or a key. You can choose the one that suits you best. You can also change your password anytime using the app. But that's not all. Aristo's Home Dropbox also has a disinfection function that kills 99.9% of germs on your package using UV light. You can activate this function using the app or the remote control. Dorsiflex. Is your leg paining but you don't know how to channel your exercise to the exact point of pain? Worry no more, because Dorsiflex is here to help. This is a patented device designed to place the foot in the best biomechanical position to achieve a deep and targeted stretch of all lower leg and foot muscles causing the problem. It is designed to withstand more than 350 pounds of weight and includes a non-slip ring to grip almost any floor surface, while its base provides a comfortable padded area for the foot. The device is recommended by physical therapists and sports trainers worldwide. Dorsiflex can provide measurable relief in weeks instead of months or years. The design selectively positions and angles the foot and toes to achieve a deeper, targeted, and amplified stretch of the calf and arch muscles. Pool Live AR. Are you a skilled billiard or someone who has been trying to make your first accurate shot? If so, welcome to the future of billiards with the Pool Live AR. This is an augmented reality tool designed to assist unskilled or amateur pool players. It uses a projector and camera above the table to detect the cue balls and table boundaries. Once this is mapped, it projects guides in real time to help beginners. The system is capable of detecting balls, strikes, and pockets, as the animation can be customized through your smartphone app, as white lines are used to help you with difficult moves. Pool Live AR can also display fun real-time effects and scores on the table. The AR technology has just arrived to give a whole new perspective while playing pool. The tool itself has an integrated social network where players can share a particular state of the table or load them. A solution for that table state can then be also shared and voted by the community for the best solution of that state. Graff Amities Ring. Imagine a shower that can transform your bathroom into a spa-like sanctuary, or a shower that can soothe your senses with chromotherapy and water effects. That shower is the Graff Amities Ring. The Graff Amities Ring is a wall-mounted steel overhead shower that features a 6-color LED lighting system and 2 distinct water functions, Cascade and Waterfall. You can easily switch between the modes with a touch of a button and enjoy the relaxing or invigorating effects of water and light. The Graff Amities Ring is not only a smart shower but also a stunning piece of art. The ring has a circular shape and a cutting-edge design that blends in with any bathroom decor. It is made of durable and waterproof material that can withstand any weather condition. It also has no clog, easy clean nozzles that ensure optimal performance and hygiene. You can monitor the ring activity via the app on your phone and control it remotely. Sitjoy Smart Recliner X1. Do you have difficulties relaxing? If so, it's time to relax like never before and let tension melt away with this invention. This is not just a recliner, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It is a 16-in-1 multifunctional silicone faux leather glider that offers the ultimate relaxing experience. It features an adjustable lumbar cushion that accommodates various body sizes, providing ergonomic support with human factors. The recliner also comes with an intelligent voice control system that allows you to adjust the angle to your preference, play music, and turn on the light strip. The armrests of the Sitjoy Smart Recliner comes in 6 gear and offer flexibility for finding your preferred angle, while storage allows easy access to snacks or books. The recliner also has 4 loudspeakers double track inside the sofa, with Bluetooth 2.0 connection. The silicone fabric of the recliner has strong wearability, easy stain removal, and flame retardant properties. The Sitjoy Smart Recliner can satisfy you in various rest postures such as sitting, reading, watching TV, and taking a sweet nap. This recliner is where comfort meets innovation. Relax like never before with customizable massage settings and let tension melt away, because your comfort should have no bounds. T1 Mini. Do you know you can unlock the world with the power of instant communication and break free from language constraints and connect on a deeper level? The T1 Mini handheld translator device makes this possible. T1 Mini is a pocket-sized translator device that aims to be more than just a gadget, with its small voice becoming your personal translator and travel companion. Designed to handle an array of languages, the T1 Mini provides near real-time voice translation in 36 languages online and 13 languages offline with the touch of a button. The simplicity of its one-button operation is perfect for those not wanting to grapple with complex tech, making it accessible to users of all ages. Whether you're a professional flying for a business meeting, an adventurer backpacking through unfamiliar territories, or simply on a cruise, the device offers a practical solution for on-the-go translation needs. The T1 Mini is equipped with a 1.28 GHz quad-core ARM processor, 1 GB of RAM, and 8 GB of storage. A 1500 mAh rechargeable battery serves as its power source. This device can communicate via Wi-Fi and includes an embedded SIM, which provides 1 year of cellular coverage. The device also offers a range of features, including instant voice, chat, and photo translation.